Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Valrine. Now, in today's video, we are looking at options for packaging Christmas gifts, and we are in Dollarama. Yeah, they have lots of choices. The basic wrapping paper, the huge gift bags, but then there are some other unique options for packaging our Christmas gifts. Now, yeah, there are also stockings there too, my friends. There are various different types of stockings, more semi formal, more formal, more fun, more cottage, more kids, baby's first Christmas. Yeah, and you can also get stockings at Dollarama to coordinate with your Ralph Lauren 2025 Christmas decor. So don't leave out Dollarama. Check them out. And the thing about Dollarama is, yeah, we all know that there's nothing for $1 anymore, right? It's probably $1.25, $1.50, upwards to $5, but still, that's cost effective, right? It's a good place to shop when you are on a strict budget, right? And so not only do they have lovely packaging, but they have packaging that can be used after, right? So you give someone a gift, and what the gift came in can be used after they have taken the gift out, right? And so I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the walkthrough with me because the video says it all, right? At the end of it, we'll meet back and hear what you think about all the options that were shown in the video. Okay, so I said I was gonna stop talking so you guys could go ahead and watch the video, but I had to jump in here because while you're looking at the boxes, take note that there are various sizes here that can be used for packaging something as small as a pair of earring or a necklace, right up to something as big as whatever you want that thing to be, right? And not only that, but the patterns are spectacular. And some of the patterns actually don't scream Christmas. So if you're a person who doesn't like to have everything looking too, in quotes, Christmassy, then there is an option there for you, right? And you can also shop these boxes for other occasions, right? Weddings, birthdays. Yeah, I'm talking about the ones that are on the more neutral side that do not scream Christmas. Here I go again interrupting, but I had to say something about these baskets. Aren't they pretty? Not only are there like wicker or straw baskets, they're wire baskets, right? And yeah, green and red are very Christmassy, but guess what? After Christmas is all gone and done with, you could actually just get a can of spray paint and paint the basket to let it match your decor, because baskets are very, very useful when it comes on to getting your space organized. So when you are shopping for packaging for Christmas gifts, don't just think about a pretty package for the Christmas gift, but think about how the person will be able to use the packaging after they have taken their gift or their present out of the packaging, because then you would have given them something that served double duty. And I like anything that can serve double, triple, whatever number of duties, right? Because when you do that, it actually saves you money, right? You're able to reuse something or upcycle something. I'm all about that. And by the way, guys, if you're here, you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. Again, thanks so much for sharing this time with me, guys. I was so excited when I was in the store. I was so excited to come back and to share all this with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were inspired and you got some ideas to gift wrap your gifts in packaging that can do double duty, not only to be thrown in the trash when the gifts are removed, right? Now go ahead and drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think, and hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Give me some thumbs up if you enjoy the walkthrough. I will see you again soon. Also, remember to turn on your bell notification so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. Love you guys.